Alright guys, so one of the most important things I like to do is grow as much food as I can. And so today I'm going to be making a salad from my garden, some steak from a rancher right down the road. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm just basically setting up my little mock clean station here. And I'm going to get some carrots. So you can see this little copper piece on my pitchfork. That's to help balance the energy. I don't know if this stuff works or not, but you know, let's put it on. So pull some carrots out. As you can see, these cool little carrots here. Now it's going to throw these carrots on my cleaning workstation here and just get the dirt knocked off of them. Alright guys, now you can see I'm harvesting a little bit of heirloom lettuce. Just like get in the garden there and just pull me off a head of lettuce. And I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of rinse it off a little bit. And then last but not least, I'm going to grab some onions. So these are just like chives. I love growing these chives, so just cut a few of these. Rinse them off. And that's pretty much it. Alright, now I got all my lettuce and stuff cut. So now what I'm going to do is just get my steak. This is a skirt steak I got from a regenerative farmer. Already prepared this on Sunday. And so I'm really just cutting this up and heating it up. My pan, always going to get my oil set up first. These are made in stainless steel pans. I do a little butter and beef tallow today. I'm going to slap in a little bit of the beef and just get it heated up. That's all. It's already been cooked. Then I'm going to prep my salad. So as you can see, chop my salad up, throw it in a bowl. Chop up all my other veggies. I got some olive oil here with some olives. And as you can see, why is the olive oil that color? Well, that's because it's real olive oil. Real olive oil will solidify in the refrigerator. So everyone's on an uproar. Who's got the best olive oil? If your olive oil solidifies in your fridge, it's a good indication you got real olive oil. So anyways, threw some olives in there. Do some real olive oil. I found this olive oil. Who knows? It could be fake. At the end of the day, though, I felt like it was legit. Another thing I do is with olive oils is when I taste it, if it itches the back of my throat, it tells me it's got a high amount of anti-inflammatory compounds, and usually only real high-end olive oil will actually create like an itch on the back of the throat when you take a little teaspoon of it. Just another little tip. I know, like, there's not enough olive trees in the world to produce the amount of olive oil that exists. So, all right, so I threw a little olive oil, and then I'm gonna do a little balsamic reduction on there. It's real important you get vinegar on your lettuce greens because vinegar helps coagulate and break down that cell wall. It doesn't really coagulate, but helps break down the cell wall, make the nutrients more bioavailable. And then a little raw cheese. Got to throw a little raw cheese on there. Let's go. And then some sunflower seeds. I also like doing pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are powerful anti-parasite. But I like sunflower seeds too. They're cool. And then of course, last but not least, a little salt, Icelandic sea salt. Top it off. And then I just mix that up, guys. Throw my steak on and enjoy. And that's it, man. That's how I like to do a steak salad. You know, a lot of the veggies on the market today are shit. So, grow your own. And I know I got like a pretty large garden most people don't have. But, dude, you could grow all this stuff in a freaking balcony. Like carrots, onions, lettuce. Let's go.